everyone, hope you're doing well and getting excited for Christmas. In this video I'm going to redraw one of my old drawings that I did at Christmas in 2021. So I've got my coffee ready and I'm drawing on the iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil. This drawing is of my reindeer girl that I drew on Procreate, which is the drawing app I always use. I brought up my old drawing in this little reference box. It's good because you can zoom in without moving the actual canvas and you can move it out the way too. Also, have to show you my new nails here. I got acrylic refills and then I decided to go for this little festive nail art design. It's so cute, I love it. Also, thanks for voting for this video by the way. I do love sharing polls in the community tab on YouTube, plus little extra updates here and there. And for those who voted for the Sketching Christmas Girls video, I will be filming that next and I'll try and get it up before Christmas Day. So I hope they're excited for that one too. I'm actually back in the UK for Christmas now, which is why this is a different setup to my usual. And it's my first Christmas back here in 6 years, which is crazy. So if you're new to my channel, then hi, my name's Carly. I actually live in Australia, but I'm from the UK and I just love to draw on the iPad. So consider subscribing if that's something you'd like too, as I'd really love to have you stick around. So anyway, back to the drawing. I just did some line art on a new layer and I used my own brush called the Butter brush, which I really love using. And then for the colouring, I'm just using the 6B pencil, which I edited a little just so it's easier to fill out the larger areas. And I'll link both brushes below in case you want to use them for yourself. I also decided to choose slightly different colours to the original one because I just felt like it looked better. I really loved the pink and brown colours together. Once I'm done with adding all the base colours, I move on to colouring other areas like the eyes and the lips, and I do these on new layers too. It's good to do each section on new layers just in case you want to change things later, like maybe the colours, or you want to move things around, then it doesn't affect other parts of the drawing. I flipped the canvas horizontally when I did the lashes on the left eye, just because it's easier for my hand to draw lashes that way. So being able to flip the canvas is definitely a benefit of drawing digitally, something you can't do with just traditional drawing. I'll actually leave a link below to a recent video I made with loads more cool things that you can do on Procreate, which improves your drawings and your workflow. Next, I add some shadows on a new layer and on the multiply effect. I didn't spend too long on this and I didn't use a reference to place them. I just basically put them down, quite basic really, to be honest. So I also smudged them as well to just create a softer look. And I also took the layer opacity down just so it's more subtle. After that, I added some blush to the cheeks and a little reindeer nose, which I thought looked really cute. And I also decided to give her some freckles. I also changed the colour of the line art to a more reddish colour just to suit the drawing, and I just used the curves for this, which you can find under adjustments. Did you know that to make a perfect circle, you just keep your pen on the canvas until it snaps, but before you let go, press your other finger onto the canvas and it will adjust to make a perfect circle. Then I just hold and drag the colour into the circle to fill it. here I'm just selecting all of the layers and grouping them together. Then I duplicate that group and flatten one of the groups so that I can change the colours a little bit using curves again. Thank you so much for watching anyway. If you've made it this far, I really appreciate you, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!